Hi everyone, my name is Carmela García Carrasco, and today I want to talk to you about dragon trees, specifically about Dracaena Tamaranae. The images you see here belong to a new species of dragon tree discovered in the south of Gran Canaria. The reason I chose this species is because it is endemic to Gran Canaria and is closely related to Dracaena drago, of which I have a special memory. The visit to see the millenary dragon tree of Tenerife was one of the pedagogical outings of my school's end of year trip because it is considered as the plant symbol of Tenerife. The millenary dragon tree was declared a national monument in 1917. In addition, the dragon tree appeared on the old 1,000 pesetas banknote from Spain. For ancient aborigines, dragons had magical properties. In ancient Rome and Middle Ages, they were considered as magical trees. Its sap, which turns red in contact with air, dragon's blood, was marketed due to its medicinal properties and its use in dyes and varnishes. Legend has that dragons, when die, turn in dragon trees. Dracaena is a genus of at least 40 species of succulent trees and shrubs. There is considerable genetic variation within the Canarian dragon trees. Recently, a new species of dragon tree has been discovered in the south of Gran Canaria, which has certain differences with the Dracaena drago. This species, described as endemic to Gran Canaria in November 1999, is found on the cliffs and slopes of the southwest of the island. It has been named as Dracaena Tamaranae or Gran Canaria Dragon Tree. Its binomial scientific name is Dracaena Tamaranae, which belongs to the genus Dracaena, family Asparagaceae, order Aspergillus, class Liliopsida, phylum Tracheophyta, kingdom Plantae, domain Eukarya. Dracaena tamaranae is an endemic species of the Canary Islands, where it is restricted to the southwestern sector of Gran Canaria. The species is found between 342 and 1,070 meters above sea level. The species has an area of occurrence of 318 square kilometers and an area of occupation of 94 square kilometers. Its origin is native. Its presence is natural and not associated with human activity. It is a terrestrial photoautotroph. It reproduces either by seeds or by tip cuttings, both stem and root. This species is found on rock and steep cliffs, in rocky areas at the base of cliffs, and in temperate forests, specifically in the south of the island, in areas more arid than usual for Dracaena drago. The dragon tree from Gran Canaria is typical of the thermosclerophilic plant communities of the tropical-subtropical region. They are xerophilous. They inhabit areas with rainfall of between 200 and 500 millimeters per year. The specimens found are found in geologically oldest areas of the island, generally on inaccessible cliffs. These areas are home to remains of their original ecosystems, junipers and rock rose. They coexist with species such as junipers, jaguars, wild olive trees, pines, etc. The interspecific relationship that takes place between rabbits and cattle is detrimental to the dragon tree. This species is found exclusively in Gran Canaria. It is critically endangered under criterion D since only 12 adult specimens are known to exist. It's also under criterion C2A because its population is in decline. The introduction of herbivores and stochastic events are threat to this species. The tree's habitat is included in the Habitat Directive, Council of Europe 1992. It's found within several protected areas including the Monumento Natural de Tauro. Some areas have been protected from grazing by fencing. Dracaena Tamaranae is reported as held in 4 ex situ collections. An intervention may be necessary to prevent its disappearance, but its cultivation outside the scientific file is not yet possible due to the scarcity of specimens. However, it's recommended not to introduce specimens of Dracaena drago in the area that houses or is reforested with this species.